Find the coordinate notation for the dilation of ABCD to EFGH. So it looks like a reduction. A maps to E, B to F, C to G, D to H. So that means the scale factor should be less than 1. And finding the scale factor, I just like to find the ratios of the sides. So for example, let's try AD. Looks like that one's 5. And then E to H. Well, let's see. Starts at -1 and then up to positive 1.5, so that's 2.5. And then for AB, that's 10, and E to F is 5. So it looks like it's 1/2. And the reason why I can say 1/2 is because AB, which is 10, maps to segment EF, which is 5, so you have half the size. So I'm thinking it's simply going to be XY maps to 1/2 X, 1/2 Y. And I'm just going to verify with some coordinates here. So coordinate B is 6, -2, and that maps to, so if we're going to apply this transformation, 1/2 times 6 is 3, and 1/2 times -2 is -1. So it should be that B maps to 3, -1, and that's where point F is, so absolutely. Okay, that's correct. Let me try one more. Point C is at 6, 3, and it should map to 1/2 times 6 is 3, and then 1/2 times 3 is 1.5. So C should map to 3, 1.5, and in fact it does. There's point G right there. Okay, so here's the dilation. And you could test all the points if you want to, but after testing 2 of them, I'm pretty confident that this works.